How to create progressive bar in Google Sheets. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video, and at the end if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Yeah, okay guys, so here we are. This is my Excel sheet, and you can see we have already generated the progressive bar for percentage, and the overall progressive bar also we have. So I will show you how you can make it. So here just select the cell where you want the progressive bar, and you need to hit this formula, which is equal sign sparkling. Then you need to select that cell number. So we have the data in E5. Okay, so we need to select E5 first, then you need to continue with this formula. Okay, the curly bracket, then chart type, then bar, then max 100% color 1, and here you can change the color, like we have select that green. Okay, then empty, then 0, close the curly bracket and bracket, then you just hit the enter. Okay, make sure you need to select this cell number perfectly. We have E5, you need to select your cell number, whatever. Okay, now just after you enter this all formula, you need to just click that bracket, that corner dot, and you can easily apply to the rest of the rest of the data like this. Okay, so it is applied as per the cell number automatically, you can see, and this is the overall progress bar. So first we need to count that percentage, average percentage. So we have formula here, which is equal sign sum, then open the bracket, then you need to select that all data. Okay, we have select E5 to E9, so we have select this one, then this count. Okay, divide it and then count, then select the same area, same data, and then close the bracket. You need to close the bracket properly, then hit the enter. Then you need to select this result, and you need to select this option, which is format as a percentage. Then the percentage will be show like this. Now same formula you have to you can use here for progressive overall progressive bar. Okay, which is this equal sign sparkling. Then you need to select this cell E3 or whatever you have, then you need to continue this formula like this, like chart type, what, bar, max 100%, color 1, you can change color here like red and anything. You need to empty, then 0, close the curly bracket, then this formula will be applied here. Okay, so this is our overall progressive bar, and this is our normal progressive bar. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.